Hi, my name is Tyler. I'm the founder of Carbonfi, and this is the newest design that I've created. I wanted to design this ring to be something different than anything that was out there. I've made countless carbon fiber rings and designed so many different designs, but this is the first one where we're fusing glow to the carbon fiber while we're inlaying it. This carbon fusion design takes raw carbon fiber and we fuse it with glow using an adhesive into the channel of either black ceramic, white ceramic, or tungsten. The result is a very comfortable traditional style ring with nice beveling on the outside and comfort fit on the inside, but a totally unique inlay that goes into the center that draws attention both day and night. We're actually hand making them right here in the United States. So you get to customize what the ring is made out of, if it's white ceramic, black ceramic, or tungsten, and then you get to select which color glow you want to have inlaid into your ring. So back our project to be one of the first ones to get one, and you'll also get the best pricing possible.